Dashratha returned to Ayodhya with his sons and daughter-in-laws.
I am becoming very old and decided from Rama's king.
This discussion was made with his ministers, where ministers unanimously agreed to make Rama as king. While Dashratha is speaking to his ministers, Mandara, the maid of the Queen Kaikeyi, heard all the discussion and wanted to tell this decision to Queen Kaikeyi.
Queen Kaikeyi, I want to tell you one important news.
What is that this Mandara?
By listening to this news, you will be shocked.
Tell me what is it?
Do you know that King Dasharatha decided to crown Rama as king?
Oh, is it really? It is a good news. I'm glad that Rama is going to become the king of Ayodhya.
Queen, if that happens, then you will be slave to Kaushalya and your son Bharata will be slave to Rama.
No, nothing will happen then. Don't speak such words.
Yes, Queen Kaikeyi, this is what will happen.
How to overcome the situation?
Do you remember that you saved King Dasharatha's life in a fierce battle and you followed two wounds?
Yes, I do remember.
Queen, the time has come now to utilize the two wounds.
I will utilize them for now. Mandara, your devious mind never fails to impress me. Prepare me to meet the king.
I want to tell this happy news personally with Queen Kaikeyi when she feels happy after listening it.
Kaikeyi's chamber. Queen is very upset.
What happened, Kaikeyi?
King Dasharatha, did you remember once I saved your life in a fierce battle and you offered me 2 wings?
Yes, Queen, I do remember. I want to use them now. Yes, tell me, what do you want to have? I want my son Bharata to become the king of Ayodhya. This is my first one. Queen, how is it even possible? Rama is the elder son to the family. My second wish is to send Ram to the forest for 14 years. Kaikeyi, is there no other way? Can we not find a compromise? A solution that spares Rama from this harsh fate. The highest caste president. A promise must be kept, especially when it has fulfillment of his sons. But at what cost, Kaikeyi? The cost of a son's happiness, a father's peace of mind? Sometimes sacrifices must be made for the greater good by all.
Dashratha could hardly believe his ears. He became pale and speechless. He pleaded with Kaikeyi to ask for anything else but not to send Rama to the forest. But Kaikeyi's decision would not change. Slowly, Dasharatha sunk into deep sorrow. Later, Kaikeyi asks Rama to meet her in her chamber. Kaikeyi shares all the story where Dasratha has offered her 2 boons and explains Rama that she used them now to send Rama to the forest for 14 years and crown his brother Bharata as the king of Ayodhya. Rama agreed to go to the forest along with Sita, and Lakshmana also followed to the forest. In the forest, Ram, Sita and Lakshman face many challenges. One day Sita saw a golden deer and asked Rama to get it for her.
Rama, please come here.
What happened, Sita?
Look at that golden deer. Have you ever seen anything so beautiful? It's extraordinary. Its fur gleams like pure gold. I need that deer. Rama, can we keep it? It could be a wonderful companion during our exile.
Well, if it makes you happy, Sita, I'll capture it for you.
Rama in search of the deer. He went behind it. The deer took Rama deep into the forest, and Rama could hardly catch the deer alive. Then Rama hit the deer with an arrow, and the deer started shouting for help from Sita and Lakshmana. The deer is none other than the demon Marichi.
Ha Sita, ha Lakshmana.
Lakshmana, I'm worried that your brother is in trouble.
Queen Sita Mai, you need not worry, Rama will be safe.
No, Lakshmana, I'm much afraid of your brother.
Lakshmana decided to go, but before he left, he drew a line at the entrance to the hut and told Sita not to cross the line at any cost till he returns.
Don't cross this line in any cost till we return.
Ravana saw how well his plan had worked. Sita was alone and he disguised himself as a hermit and approached Sita with a begging bow.
Bhavati Viksham Dehi. Bhavati Viksham Dehi. Bhavati Viksham Dehi.
Hey Brahmin, take this food, Brahmin.
I don't accept this offer. I will curse you if you don't come out and offer.
I cannot come out of this line.
I insist you to come out and offer me the food.
Okay, I will come out and offer the food.
Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha!
Before Sita understands what she is doing, Ravana placed Sita in his chariot. Sita screamed, but it was too late. The chariot rose into the sky and spread off to Lanka as Ravana headed south. Jatayu the great eagle saw Sita. He fought with Ravana for Sita. Ravana cut off Jatta's wings as they flew over mountains and forests. Sita took off her jewelry one by one and threw away, hoping that Rama might see.
Who are you?
I am Ravana, the king of Lanka.
My husband Rama will defeat you.
Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha!
Rama and Lakshmana reached Rishamukha, which is a hilly region, and Sugriva was their leader. He had the friendship and assistance of Hanuma, a valiant and intelligent Vanara.
I am the son of Dasharatha, the king of Ayodhya, and he is my brother Lakshmana.
Rama explains his exile and abduction of Sita in the complete story to Hanuma.
When I'm doing my rotating river, early in the morning, I found the jewelry in my hands.
These are the ornaments of Sita.
Hanuman took Rama and Lakshman to the king Sugriva, wherein Sugriva also promised Rama to help him to get back Sita from Ravana.
Dear Hanuman, you must show me how to search of Sita.
Soon Hanuman was growing in size and became so big, and he flew into the sky and traveled over the ocean to meet Sita. Hanuman entered the Ashoka gardens, found Sita sitting so sad under a tree.
Meet Sita, I am Hanuman, messenger of Rama. I don't believe you. You are one among of Ravana's followers. No, Sita, mate. Here is the proof. Yes, this is my Rama's ring. I recognize it, and I am feeling very bad that I have been aparted from Rama. Hanuman, I am giving this jewelry to you so that Rama would recognize it easily. Oh, no, leave this demon so easily. Oh, destroy them at any cost.
Then Hanuman started destruction in Lanka and came back to Rama. Rama was overjoyed when he saw the jewelry of Sita. Later, Vanara helped Rama to build the bridge across the ocean. They reached Lanka, then the war is declared to get Sita back. After many days of battle, Rama killed Ravana. Rama, Sita, Lakshmana, everyone returned to Ayodhya happily.
జగదానందకారక జయ జానకి ప్రాణనాయక జగదానందకారక జయ జానకి ప్రాణనాయక శివ స్వాగతం ప్రియ పరిపాలక మంగళకరమౌ నీరాక ధర్మానికి వేదిక అవుగాక మా జీవనమే ఇక పావనమౌగాక